Oh, hello, sorry. Ah, you look pretty. Where are you from?
Thank you. I'm from Ukraine.
Oh, you from Я могу говорить украинский. Добрый день. Як справи? What's your plan?
I'm walking here.
I was working here, and what are you going to do?
Just to look.
Maybe come with me. I show you something.
Huh?
Okay, let's go. How long you been here?
I think more 1 month.
What do you do here? Like model or something else?
Yes, I'm working here.
Ah, okay. Do you want to drink coffee?
Yes.
Okay, let's go drink coffee. 兄弟们，我们最终决定就一起去吃一些中国菜。哥们儿，
Come with us.
我们选了一家广东式的茶点哦。多了贵，不是这里，阿德多。刚刚那个地方的门开不了，搞笑死了，真的。现在对了，我们到达这个地方了，我们坐下来了，准备吃饭了。
Let's try Chinese food.
Okay.
It will be my first time when I will try Chinese tea.
First time you try Chinese
Yes.
tea? Oh, then you try. Good?
It's Ukrainian traditional, you know?
Okay. Fujimo.
Good more.
Really nice. How is it?
Very good.
It's good that you like it. 是一部分菜。Вкусный или нет? Delicious.
Want this?
This one? Okay, try. You can use a spoon help you.
No.
You can try. You can try yourself. Super. Wow. 筷子使得很好啊。
Very interesting.
Be careful, very hot.
I think with the mushrooms.
Yeah. Oh, cool. Yeah.
Yeah, I prefer that.
You want to try this one? Yo. It's fine. Delicious, very, yeah?
Yes. But I don't understand what this.
It's kind of a vegetable in China. Maybe in Ukraine they don't have. You know what this is? One try? You try first, and I will tell you what it is. 看看我们乌克兰美女第一次吃鸡脚是什么样的。
What?
Yeah.